Hello, good morning everybody. It's 7 o'clock here at Singapore's Changi Airport, and today is the day that I fly back to Frankfurt. I'd be really sad to leave Singapore. I've really enjoyed my 36 hours here. Check out my video to see what I got up to. However, today we are flying with Singapore Airlines on board one of their Airbus A380s on the top deck in business class. It could even be this aircraft right here outside of my bedroom window. So come along and join me for this adventure. So this is Terminal 3 here at Changi Airport where Singapore fly out of. It's really open, really spacious, and at 7 o'clock in the morning quite quiet, which is really good. So let's go see how quickly it takes to get checked in. Business class can be found in row 6, which is nice and easy. Check-in was really easy, and she even checked my bag all the way to London Heathrow, so I haven't got to worry about that. That only took 2 minutes, which was really, really good. So let's go through to security. After check-in you go through immigration, which is just scanning your passport, which is a bit of a shame because you get no stamp in the passport. And then you're straight into the main concourse with all the shops and restaurants. I've come up to the Silver Chris Lounge for the business class travellers. There's also a first class lounge and also a Silver Chris membership lounge as well. I'll post some pictures of the food that I ate, but it's really tasty. Just having a little wander around the airport. There's so many shops and bars and restaurants that you can have, and it's got gardens and everything. It's really good. I'm just on the travelator being overtaken by the trolley lady. My flight's in about another hour and 15 minutes. One of the little orchard gardens here at Terminal 3. One thing I find slightly strange, but I guess it's a bit like a Schengen terminal, is that the arrivals and departures all mingle and mix together, and then you go through immigration. Security is at the boarding gate, so your bags will get checked. Like my Lufthansa flight, we got checked off the plane, and I guess with Singapore Airlines we'll get checked onto the plane. It's 9:30, boarding will commence in 20 minutes or so. So I'm sat in seat 95K on this A380 Super, and that's not even the last row, there's more rows behind me. This aircraft is huge. I wonder how long the whole boarding process is going to take, but we'll soon find out, because in 5 minutes boarding should start.